a gumball, Ellie, you have to help out with Leia for a little bit. And Jannie, go do your homework.
Okay.
Nothing's interesting.
Come play with me.
No thank you.
Yummy gumball. I'll hide under the bed.
Where's the gumball machine? Where is it? Have you seen the gumball machine?
Well, no, Auntie, I've never seen it.
Okay. Ellie!
Oh.
You did take the gumball machine. And it's broken.
I'm so sorry, Auntie. Ouch.
My tooth hurts, Auntie.
Because you had too many gumballs, Ellie.
All done. Just make sure not to eat too many gumballs.
Okay, dentist. I'm sorry, Auntie.
I have some gumballs.
Sorry, the gumball machine is broken. Let's go play, Leia.
Well, how can I get the gumball machine back?
Huh? What happened, Ellie?
I broke the gumball machine and Auntie is upset.
Don't worry, I got an idea. Oh, too bad we need help.
Oh, hi.
I need a gumball machine,
It's gonna be $10.
but we don't have money.
No. I also take old toys if you want to trade one.
Oh, okay.
Auntie, here's my old toy.
Ooh, cool. And here is your new gumball machine.
Wow!
Thanks,
Thanks,
Auntie.
Auntie.
No problem. Here you go.
Thank you. Bye.
You see the strawberry, Leia? It's so big.
Ta-da!
How did you fix it? Auntie Beth helped us.
I'm so sorry that I broke the machine earlier.
That's okay, Ellie. Now everyone can have one gumball from the gumball machine.
Yay!
Yeah!
I have blue.
I got red.
I got pink. I got yellow. I'm so hungry.
Here, Ellie, have some strawberries.
How about some cherries, Ellie?
I don't want fruit. I want hamburger.
But hamburgers are not good. They're not healthy.
I still want hamburger.
Healthy food, healthy food.
Hi!
Hi.
Let me see. Ah! You can make hamburgers out of fruits and vegetables.
Good idea. Thanks, Tabby.
No problem. Bye!
Tabby, get some apples.
We also need some lettuce. Okay.
Oranges. Tomato and tomato.
And that's it. Time to go home, Jannie.
Remember to wash fruits and veggies before you eat them.
Now it's time to make a hamburger from fruit and vegetables.
Yeah, let's do it, Auntie.
Take out the seed.
Wow.
And tomato for tomato. Can't forget your lettuce.
Wow.
And some oranges. Another layer of lettuce. And finish with the bun.
Auntie, the fruit hamburgers look so nice.
Yeah, but I forgot to take the orange peel out. All done.
Yeah. One hamburger for Ellie.
Huh? Fruit hamburger?
Yeah, it's good. Try it.
I love hamburger, but I also want pizza.
But pizza's not healthy.
Hey, what happened?
Now Ellie wants a pizza.
And pizza's not healthy.
You can make pizza from these fruit.
Wow, great idea.
Thanks, Abby.
Bye.
Hi.
We need fruit like watermelon,
Nectarines
kiwi.
and strawberries.
Seems I got everything. Watermelon, strawberries, kiwis, and nectarines.
Whoa, that is awesome. The nectarine looks so yummy.
And the watermelons are so heavy. Thank you. Here you go.
Bye.
Bye.
We have to wash the fruit. This will be for the pizza crust. Almost done. Next, I'm gonna put the strawberries. Awesome! Kiwi is my favorite fruit. And now it's time to finish the pizza. Finally, the blueberries. Awesome!
Ta-da! The pizza is ready, Jannie.
Wow, looks so good! It's amazing! Ellie's gonna love it. Ellie, look what we have for you.
Wow! Is it a pizza?
Yep, it's a healthy fruit pizza.
Try it, Ellie.
Okay. I love fruit pizza, Auntie.
I love fruit pizza too. Mmm, so good.
Can I have some fruit pizza too?
Yeah.
I feel a little thirsty.
Yeah. Can we have some ice cream, Auntie?
Ice cream? But ice cream is not good for you.
I want some ice cream. Me too.
Let's make some healthy ice cream from oranges.
Time to put it in the freezer. Now, let's wait. Maybe for 8 hours. Healthy ice cream.
Yummy ice cream. Stop, Uncle Sam.
Huh?
You cannot fish here.
But there's no sign saying I can't fish here, Jannie.
But I'm saying you cannot fish here.
Okay, I'll just take these fish home then.
No, Uncle Sam, I will take a fish.
You're not fair, Jannie.
I don't care. Yeah, I have lots of fish. I'm so intelligent. Bye, Uncle Sam. What happened, Emma? My car's broken. Can you help me fix it, officer? No, Emma, but I will give you a traffic ticket. Huh? Why do I get a ticket, Officer Jannie? Because you parked your car in the middle of the street. Look. But it's broken, Jannie. I don't care. Law's a law. Here's your ticket, Emma. I think something's wrong. I'm gonna report it to Officer J, guys. Officer J, Officer J!
Oh, what happened, Emma? Really? I would take care of it. Jannie!
What's wrong?
You shouldn't litter. It's really bad.
I'm a police officer. Look, I can do anything I want.
You're a bad police. You have to be in jail for 5 minutes. Get in jail, Jannie. Remember to be bad police next time, okay?
Okay, I won't be a bad police anymore.
Ah, time's up. You're free.
Thank you, officer. Now I will correct my mistake.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye.
I will clean up this mess. Now I will help Emma to fix her car. Emma, let me help you. Thank you, Jannie. Here's the tools. Thank you. Where is the broken tire? Right here, Jannie. Okay. All done, Emma. Thank you, Jannie. Don't forget your toolbox. Thank you, Mom. Now I will give the fish back to Uncle Sam.
Here's some corn, Uncle Mike. It's all I can get today.
Corn again? I don't want corn, I want fish.
Sorry, Uncle Mike. I know it's been 3 months of corn, but Jannie took our fish.
Uncle Sam, here's your fish. You can have it back.
Wow, my fish! Thank you!
Ooh, fish!
I'm gonna cook you some fish, Uncle Mike.
Awesome.
With corn!
Uh-oh.
Now I know we should always help people. Bye.
Bye!